that.
Alright, I'm recording. Maya! Maya! Hey girl.
Look at it. Hi. I'm Katie.
What are you doing?
She just interrupted us. Don't eat the ground.
Yes.
Oh my God. I'm trying to eat the ground.
Crack dog.
Oh. Anywho, I said I was Katie. You didn't say who you are.
Oh, I'm Chelsea.
She's Chelsea. Not Katie. She's Chelsea.
Yes. And we are KC Productions.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, anyway.
Yeah. That's Maya.
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 Her dog.
Watch.
Yes.
So they're definitely looking for crackheads when they watch.
Oh shoot.
We're not crackheads.
Says you.
Excuse me?
You know.
Yeah, we're not crackheads. Wink, wink.
Oh wow.
There's no cars in Beaufort, South Carolina.
Oh my God, you crackhead! Now they're gonna think we're crackheads. You're such a dork. There's no cars in Oklahoma.
South Carolina. Yeah, it really isn't.
No.
We all walk.
Yeah, you try walking out on the highway and see if there's no cars. Like, there's no cars. Bam!
There's no cars.
Like, there's no cars.
Next week in the hospital.
I guess there is cars. My bad.
There was one. I promise. There's only one car.
Yeah.
It was out of state car.
They go on Relot Road.
Yeah.
That highway's always busy.
Yeah. This is our trip walking
Yeah,
the dog.
We're going down to the sands. Sands. Isn't it pretty?
Everyone hangs out. It's the it spot.
There's nobody here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're real it.
Car!
Holy crap, there's a car! Yes! They told you there was cars. You can hear the crickets chirping and everything.
It's a figment of our imagination. Thank you very much.
There's another one leaving.
Oh my God, that's Rico Suave.
Who? Rico Suave?
Oh, I call him that because he looks like this Mexican guy that he thinks he goes Rico. Suave.
Rico.
But not
Isn't
really.
it like
He's just
a
our
song?
neighbor.
Oh.
He's just our neighbor.
Who's that?